me is the Moppet, and today we're gonna make spaghetti. Okay. First, we're gonna mix the noodles up because the noodles are actually now cooking. We have pasta, corned beef, evaporada, condensed milk, Nestle cream, Filipino sauce for spaghetti, hot dog. We have garlic and onion, and we have cheese. So yummy! And I'm not interested in that. I'm interested in this. First, heat the oil in the pan. Saute the onion and the garlic. Once the onions become soft, add the corned beef. Next step, add the hot dog. Stir and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Pour in the spaghetti sauce. Let it boil. It's moving like itself. Add condensed milk, evaporated milk, and Nestle cream. Let it boil. Try to taste the sauce and add salt and pepper if in need. Pour in the spaghetti style sauce and the noodles so we can make spaghetti. Like this.
We gotta keep it low key, keep it soft.
It's delicious! Now we're done cooking the spaghetti. Before this video ends, I'm gonna shout out to some people. Earl Brian Magulato, Sean Ivan Magulato, and Danka Isabel Mandin. Thank you so much for shout-outing. And if you want to be shout-out, you just go to hashtag Yssa the Moppet, comment Yssa the Moppet so that I can shout out you guys. And you want to share your spaghetti, you need to share it, smell it, and enjoy it. Bye-bye!